Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi bought a brown dog and loved him dearly. At first, he was playful and joyful. He showed beautiful tricks and remained happy. But soon he became sad. He always lay in the room alone. They tried everything to cheer him up, but failed. They did his best, but failed. One day, the dog ran away. They searched everywhere and finally found him in another city, happily playing with other dogs. Seeing him so joyful with his friends, they realized he needed them. Smiling, they let him stay, knowing true happiness comes from being with loved ones. There should be a like and subscribe for Ronaldo and Messi.